Hey there, my name is Brian McGivern, and today we are going to discuss the top 3 things you should know about a DWI charge in the state of Texas. Number 1, alcohol concentration. The first thing to understand is the relationship between your blood alcohol concentration and the seriousness of your charge. The most common definition of intoxication for DWI is having a blood alcohol concentration above 0.08. And when that happens, a person can be charged with Class B misdemeanor DWI. However, if that person's blood alcohol concentration is higher, if it's above 0.15, then they can be charged with a Class A misdemeanor, which is more serious. Number 2, repeat convictions. The second thing to know is that if a person's convicted of DWI more than once in their life, the convictions become more serious. Normally, a first-time DWI, unless your BAC is very high, will be treated as a Class B misdemeanor. However, a second conviction for DWI will be treated as a Class A misdemeanor, which is more serious. And if a person has at least 2 prior convictions for DWI, any subsequent conviction for DWI is treated as a 3rd-degree felony. Number 3, license revocation. The third thing that you should know is about the potential for license revocation. Now, if you're driving anywhere in the state of Texas and a police officer pulls you over and asks you to take an alcohol test, whether that's a breathalyzer or a blood test, and if you refuse, then the state can revoke your driver's license. If that happens, you should contact an attorney as soon as possible after the stop, because you might be able to challenge that revocation. You should also be aware, though, that if you take the test, and if you fail it, meaning that it shows you have a BAC above 0.08, then that would also mean an automatic revocation of your license. And similarly, if you're tried for DWI and found guilty, the court has the discretion to revoke your license at that point too. So it's a tough place to be. If you fall into any of those categories, you should know that you may be eligible for an occupational driver's license. And you should talk to an attorney about that opportunity. And those are the top 3 things that you should know about a DWI charge in the state of Texas.